You had a 485 interview in March and no decision yet. What can I do? So that happens, right? So when many times you have an interview and you have an interview and there's no decision. So number one, make sure that your address is updated with USCIS. So make sure that they have your current address if you've moved. Make sure make sure that you've submitted the AR11. You can do that online or sometimes by mail if you qualify to do it by mail. So make sure your address is updated with USCIS. So any kind of change in your case status is basically something that you'll receive, right? You don't want to be at a different address because many times it won't get forwarded. So number one, check your address. Number two, you can call the USCIS Service Center, or you can check your online case status to see what it is. Most people, when they're asking this question, they've already done those things and they're, getting anxious to get a decision for their case. So that's the next step. So we make the inquiry. I usually start keeping a log of every time we make an inquiry. So every time we call USCIS, I have the date. I have what did I do? Did I call or did I email or did I submit an online inquiry? And what did I say? What documents did I attach? So I would say keep a log of all of the times you try to make an effort to reach out to USCIS. And when that doesn't work, we start reaching out to our senators, our Congress people, to see if they can help get some more information about why your case is delayed. So many times, these guys have a person within their office that helps with immigration applications, right? So they help figure out what's happening with immigration applications. You might go on their website, submit an inquiry through the website, or sometimes you can call the office and they'll direct you to the caseworker that kind of handle these types of questions. So you can provide them with your information, the type of case that you have, and they can try to help out. So again, keep that log, keep a track of all the efforts for trying to contact someone with immigration to move your case along. So you want to show that you've tried all these different things to move your case along. Nothing happens. Let's say nothing happens. So as a last case resort, you can sue the government for not making your decision in a timely fashion. So that's a federal lawsuit. It's called mandamus. If you research mandamus, you can look for that. It's a petition for mandamus. It's a lawsuit in federal court, and you're asking the government to make a decision on your case. So number one, make sure it is a strong application, because all you're asking for is a decision, not a good decision, a decision, right? So if it's approvable, it should be a strong application. So that's something you want to make sure of before you start filing for mandamus. Okay? If we can help you with any of these things, if you have green cards that are stuck, or if you're thinking about filing a green card application, to make sure that it's strong and that you provide as much evidence as possible, you can work with an immigration firm. We can certainly help you with that. Give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.